invited guests, members of the Lambasa District Youth Council, government officials and media partners. Again, it's another Mulugulaka to Lambasa. We were here just 3 days ago because of that military cooking battle and military training. I'm glad to be again this morning. Officially open your Youth Council office. More importantly, the opening of this office, this resource center, it transpired a few weeks back when I think 2 months or 3 months ago when we had discussing at the office of the manager Norton. The majority of the youth were there and they asked me to facilitate the new office which we are opening this morning. We tried to get, as you all know, we get a furniture and a desktop computer for the office to start off with. And this morning we have come to reality, and we also understand that that is the initiative of government. Ladies and gentlemen, government through the ministry has supported the project. And not only this project, but all projects that concern youth. We did it to rural youth, we did it to urban youth. And this morning we witnessed how we opened this resource center that will enable youth from all over Lambasa to come and look for information, also to empower the youths on the resource center we have. We need pamphlets from the ministry, things that you cannot, you don't have to go to the headquarters of youth, the Ministry of Youth in Rogomati's house, but you can do it by easily get your pamphlet through your environment. And as we have witnessed this morning, information play a vital role on youth today. In here you get information of what is going on. The youths your ministry is doing, your ministry will be doing, and from there you will copy, you will reiterate what the ministry is doing. That we want you to become. We understand that globalization, if you like it or not, it will come into your doorsteps. Globalization is a reality, and you cannot miss out. Because if you miss out globalization, you'll be a missed out country, a missed out youth clubs through international and national globalization. And we understand that having a resource center as such will help you with information. And what we are intending to do in the last 4 years that control technology rather than technology controlling it. That's what we are trying to do, because the modern generation now, they are controlled by technology. You can see youths go around with the mobile phones, play around with mobile phones. What you used to have a few century back, you don't have to go to New Zealand. You can do it now. By your fingertips, you can see New Zealand, we can see Australia, we can see America, just through technology. So as we witness what we opened this morning, this is an initiative by government to empower youth. Through information, empower youth through technology. As we speak this morning, we create a pleasant environment for youth to come in, rather than stay in the cane field or come straight to Ratu Komati's house, where the manager Northern Division overseas. You have a resource center that contains relevant information that you may need. Also, you provide a range of information service, as I've told you. So all these attributes empower the youth. All these attributes is the initiative of government to empower youth. We understand that majority of our youth go through looking for information elsewhere, rather than coming to the research center as such that we opened this morning. So in this regard, this government is working to ensure that all of PGS is access into wired and unwired hotspots. I think a few days back that we opened hotspots in Labasa. The government too is use information in addressing one of the key initiative, that is the empowering of youth. We would like you to know that and understand that. So these programs are primarily designed to ensure the financial sacrifice of each recipient that you did this morning. And also this morning we have some sewing machine to give away, but I know that we have two here, but we have done training with the Ministry of Women, but you are part of the youth at the moment. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, we would like to thank you for availing yourself this morning, and to be here to witness the opening of our new research center. We will equip it as time goes on, and we will try to make this research center a more accessible on information and empowerment to all youths, rather than you going out to look elsewhere. With those few words, again, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to declare this youth center open.